Every woman deserves to feel appreciated, valued, and seen. While compliments on beauty are nice, the ones that truly touch the heart go much deeper. In this video, we'll explore 20 compliments that women love to hear. Words that uplift, empower, and make a lasting impression. Whether it's your partner, friend, sister, or mother, these simple yet powerful words can brighten her day and strengthen your connection. Let's get started. 1. You are beautiful just the way you are. True beauty isn't just about looks. It's about confidence, kindness, and authenticity. When you tell a woman she's beautiful just the way she is, you affirm her natural essence, making her feel truly valued beyond society's expectations. 2. I love the way your mind works. Women appreciate being seen for their intelligence and perspective. Telling her you admire how she thinks makes her feel truly appreciated beyond the surface. 3. You make the world a better place. A heartfelt compliment like this acknowledges her kindness and the impact she has on those around her, making her feel valued in a deeper way. 4. I admire your strength and resilience. Life throws challenges at everyone, and recognizing a woman's strength and resilience reassures her that you see her struggles and victories. It's an empowering compliment that fuels her confidence. 5. I feel at peace when I'm with you. Telling her she brings peace into your life acknowledges her calming presence and emotional warmth. It shows that she's someone who makes life feel lighter and more meaningful. 6. I appreciate everything you do. Women often do so much without expecting recognition. Letting her know you see and appreciate her efforts makes her feel respected and valued. 7. You inspire me. Whether it's through her ambition, kindness, or creativity, letting a woman know she inspires you reassures her that she's making an impact and encourages her to keep shining. 8. You have an amazing sense of humor. Humor is an underrated attraction. Acknowledging her wit and ability to make others laugh shows that you enjoy her personality, not just her appearance. 9. I feel lucky to have you in my life. This compliment reassures her that she's truly valued and not taken for granted. Everyone wants to feel irreplaceable, and expressing gratitude strengthens the connection. 10. You are one of a kind. In a world that often pressures people to fit in, reminding her that she stands out in the best way makes her feel cherished and special. 11. You have a great sense of style. Style isn't just about clothing, it's self-expression. When you tell a woman she has a great sense of style, you acknowledge her creativity, confidence, and the way she carries herself with grace and originality. 12. You're really fun to be around. Being fun to be around is a gift. A woman who brings joy, laughter, and good vibes to any situation deserves to know that her energy makes life more enjoyable for everyone around her. 13. You're incredibly thoughtful. Thoughtfulness is love in action. When you recognize a woman's caring nature, you let her know that her small but meaningful gestures don't go unnoticed. 14. You have such a positive energy. Some people naturally uplift those around them. Telling a woman she has positive energy is one of the best compliments. It means she brings light wherever she goes. 15. I admire your confidence. Confidence is magnetic. A woman who carries herself with assurance and self-respect deserves to be recognized for the way she inspires others to do the same. 16. You make everything around you better. Some people have a natural ability to uplift everything. Letting a woman know that her presence improves the world around her is one of the most uplifting things you can say. 17. You're always so kind to others. Kindness is a rare and beautiful trait. A woman who consistently treats others with care, respect, and generosity should be reminded that her heart makes the world a better place. 18. You have a calming presence. Some people bring chaos, while others bring peace. Telling a woman she has a calming presence acknowledges the way she makes life feel more balanced and safe. 19. You have a beautiful heart. A beautiful heart shines brighter than any outward appearance. When you recognize a woman's kindness, empathy, and genuine goodness, you give her one of the greatest compliments she can receive. At the end of the day, what truly matters is someone's character. Recognizing her kindness, compassion, and good nature is a compliment that stays with her forever. 20. You have an amazing laugh. Laughter is one of the most beautiful sounds in the world, and when a woman's laugh is contagious, it deserves to be celebrated. It's the kind of energy that lifts spirits and makes memories unforgettable. A person's laughter is part of their essence. Telling a woman you love hers makes her feel comfortable, joyful, and free to be herself. Compliments aren't just words, they're powerful affirmations that remind people of their worth. The best compliments come from the heart and highlight qualities beyond physical beauty. So next time you want to make a woman smile, choose words that truly uplift her. She'll not only remember them, but she'll remember how you made her feel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more uplifting content. See you next time!